The first part is a component of an imaging section of a digital toner printer. I spent many years managing a service department. So I started rotating in a distributor for Konica Minolta from a business position, then service, and then became VP of operations and strategy. From one side, I see users taking the machinery to the maximum, or even more than an OEM even thought about. Before, OEMs were focused on installing midfoot machines in field, and that's what they get measured by. We have to be as close to the buying customer as possible. And at the end, there's going to be a very big consolidation of production. Printers have an amazing advantage for on-demand local production of X. So this was 2019. A week before that flight, I called Bernd Zipper. And I ended up traveling into the Online Print Symposium. And this was this huge eye-opener. I think local culture is very important. I wouldn't call it transform, I'll call it adapt. Panama has no postal system. So how do you deliver something? There's been an increase on last mile delivery startups. So that's facilitated not only print, but all e-commerce. This is a print controller board, is what everything connects to. It's basically the brain of the machine. We're trying to build something similar, but outside the printer. Our company is called Imprimu, and we're building an on-demand print network. Those are my kids. We're at the beach one day and just putting into context, all these difficult last year, but at the same time, there's so many good moments. And the question is, how do you take advantage of those good moments, and are you able to appreciate them? That's actually our product. That's value we're providing to a tuna processing plant, and we're providing pretty on-demand labels for them. I love being a part of that adaptation.